Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will learn how you can make thousands of dollars through YouTube automation. Stay tuned until the end, where we will share some bonus AI tools that will help you grow on YouTube. First, let's dive into the money talk. YouTube automation channels can rake in some serious cash. We're talking about $100,000 to $100,000 each month for the big players. But what is their secret recipe? It's all about smart content creation, consistent uploads, and leveraging the power of AI tools to streamline the process. In this video, we will share the secret recipe to earning using AI on YouTube step by step.
Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Focus on areas with high demand and low competition. This could be anything from tech reviews to DIY crafts. Make sure it's something you're passionate about or at least interested in. Step 2. Research and plan your content host. Next, research popular topics within your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and VidIQ to find trending topics and keywords. Step 3. Create high-quality content using AI tools. Host. First, you have to make a script for your video, which can be easily created by ChatGPT. Then you can put the script given by ChatGPT into Pictory or in video. You can use Canva for the thumbnail of the video, and just like that, your video is ready. Step 4. Optimize your videos for SEO. Optimization is key to getting discovered. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like TubeBuddy can help you identify the best keywords to rank higher in search results. Bonus AI tips. And here are some bonus AI tips to boost your channel's growth. 1. AI-powered thumbnails. Tools like Thumbnail Blaster can generate attractive thumbnails that increase your click-through rate. 2. Automated scheduling. Tools like Hootsuite can help you schedule your video uploads and social media posts, ensuring consistency. 3. AI analytics. Use AI-powered analytics tools like Social Blade to track your channel's performance and get insights on what's working. Closing scene. Energetic background music. Host, and there you have it, folks, a complete guide to YouTube automation using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.